Attending culinary school is something I've always wanted to do. I'm married, I have a 3-year-old, but to be going through it and to have the program be free is unbelievable.
This is something that people really don't get an opportunity to experience, whether you're taking the class or giving the class.
We're looking for folks who are in need of the program. Culinary school is very expensive. Our goal is to make things accessible.
You know, from week one, we get the fundamentals. We start from zero and then we build our way up from there. So you shouldn't be intimidated regardless of what your experience is.
What I've found is the students really love diving into the international cuisine. We've had a chance to go into like Ethiopian food, Southeast Asian, Mediterranean, and these are, in certain styles of cuisine and certain techniques that they're not necessarily used to.
One of the really incredible components of the culinary program is our kitchen practicum, which takes place over at the Bread and Roses Cafe. Get their basic fundamental training here and learn under the instruction of Tomas, and then they get to take what they learn over to Bread and Roses Cafe. Ongoing real life experience, and it's a really great opportunity for them to give back. The students find a lot of joy in being able to continue to support our mission as they're also being empowered through our mission.
And this is what we're here to do. We're here to learn, create that opportunity for people to kind of break through barriers.